Do you want a financial dashboard that updates every time you swipe without needing to refresh? Imagine the convenience of seeing real-time changes to your investments, budget, or savings every time you make a move. Stick with me till the end, and I'll show you how to set up one of these dashboards without the hidden affiliate links you often see in other videos. I promise, this is going to be super actionable. Let's dive in. To begin, financial dashboards that update with every swipe are game changers. Gone are the days of waiting for overnight reports or having to hit refresh on your banking apps. The technology now allows for seamless updates, keeping you on top of your finances in real time. But most people don't even know where to begin setting something like this up. If you're used to manually inputting expenses or checking multiple accounts across different apps, you know how tedious it can get. A financial dashboard eliminates that by connecting to your accounts and pulling live data. You don't have to do anything. Everything updates automatically. For the first step, let's talk about data aggregation. It's the backbone of any financial dashboard. You need a tool that can pull information from different sources like your bank accounts, credit cards, loans, investments, and even savings accounts. I recommend looking for platforms that allow for API integrations. This way, the dashboard pulls the freshest data without needing you to hit a refresh button. But here's the catch. Many so-called financial dashboard solutions will charge you a monthly fee, or worse, sell your data to make money. That's why it's important to choose one that values privacy and doesn't rely on hidden commissions or affiliate programs. The second step is customization. This is where it gets interesting. Your dashboard should reflect your financial goals, not just a boring stream of numbers. Want to track your monthly spending? Set up categories? Want to keep an eye on your investment returns? Add a graph that updates live. Make sure your dashboard isn't cluttered. It should give you everything you need at a glance. Now, I've been using a financial dashboard for years, and I can tell you, real-time data truly changes how you manage your money. For instance, I track my portfolio performance daily, and every time I swipe, I know exactly how my stocks are doing. I never have to wait for quarterly updates. But let me share a pro tip that most people miss. When you have a dashboard set up, make sure to add a feature that automatically categorizes your expenses or income. This can be done using simple rule-based systems. For example, every time you buy coffee, categorize it as coffee or luxuries. Over time, you'll see where you're overspending without even needing to manually go through your transactions. One more thing, don't just track the numbers. Use these dashboards to make smarter decisions. I remember back when I first set up my financial dashboard, I was shocked at how much I was spending on subscriptions I forgot about. With that real-time update, I was able to cut unnecessary costs quickly. And that's the power of this kind of system. If you're wondering how to set this up for yourself, I've got you covered. Start by finding a platform that supports customizable dashboards, whether it's a tool like Google Sheets with live API data pulling or a specialized financial platform that offers automatic updates. Once you have it set up, make sure to adjust your dashboard as your financial goals change. Tracking real-time data means being flexible, not stagnant. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to create a dashboard that truly keeps up with your financial life. A dashboard that updates with every swipe means you'll always know where you stand, whether it's in your spending or in your savings. If you found value in this and want content that doesn't come with hidden affiliate commissions or promotional links, make sure to hit subscribe. I'm here to give you honest, actionable advice, and your support helps me keep it that way. See you in the next video.